Stadia is shutting down its internal studios, changing its business focus. When Stadia first launched, I don't know if you remember the presentation, but they were talking about how, okay, we're going to be this game streaming platform. But they were also saying, oh, yeah, we're a games company now, too. We're going to be building games exclusively for Stadia. We have this development studio in Montreal. We have this other one elsewhere. I don't remember where the other one was. And prepare yourself because Google's making games, or at least through these development studios. And they're backing out of that portion by the looks of it, and they're shifting their focus. Now, this is interesting because obviously gaming is hot right now. The consoles are having no trouble. The GPUs are having no trouble by the looks of it. And we're on the verge of VR becoming more widely adopted. It's just gaming is just a thing. It's really hot right now. And you felt like Google had to commit to this in a big way. You felt like you didn't feel like they had to, but you felt like they did in that initial presentation. And afterwards, some of the response was a bit lukewarm. However, things have been kind of building because all of a sudden Stadia started to pop back up around the launch of Cyberpunk, a really demanding game. And it turned out that one of the better ways to play it was actually on Stadia. But maybe it's too little too late, or maybe it's just inside of a giant company like Google, the performance measures have to be so substantial to really hang in there. I don't know, but I could assume they got a lot of ways to make money, Willie do. You know, shifting talent one place to the next. They say, you know what? Maybe we don't want to be making the games themselves. Look, that looks complicated.
Yeah.
You know, maybe we want to focus more on the Stadia platform. We think we have something good. Maybe game developers or game companies would want to use it as a backbone for their own stores.
Yeah.
Possibly. So apparently the new focus is going to be something along those lines. It shouldn't impact the average player at the moment or Stadia subscriber. Things are going to continue along the way that they are. But I think when it comes to scaling, it appears that Google wants to take a slightly different approach as opposed to trying to make its own, what would you call them, AAA caliber games in their own studios exclusively for Stadia. But I don't think it's going to go away. And I think that's a good thing.
Yeah.